The 2008 Buick LaCrosse. The Buick LaCrosse has a quiet interior, steady and supple ride, and responsive handling, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: OnStar, traction control, XM satellite radio, dual airbags, driver airbag, power steering, front air conditioning, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, keyless entry. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.